One of our main research priorities is helping the robot truly see and understand what's happening underwater. We're tracking the latest advances in AI and completely rebuilt our algorithms from the ground up, specifically designed for pool cleaning. It's a big shift. Now the robot can actually understand your pool and not just clean it automatically. We took real pool data from our users' research team and trained the robot in all kinds of conditions, different shapes, materials, and water types. We built a whole database of pool scenarios so the robot can handle anything. This means it can make smart decisions, even in tough situations, and pick the best cleaning strategy for each area. And the result? Close to 100% coverage. AquaSense X can now identify over 40 different types of debris, above and below water. But here's what's really cool, is it doesn't just follow the same routine every time. It looks at how dirty your pool is and adjusts strategy on the fly. It decides where to go, how to move, and how deep to clean. We're building an AI system that gets smarter over time, and this is just the start. There's a lot more to come.